Okay, we are going to move on to the next part of the section. So this time we are now going to solve polynomial equations. So whenever we solve the equations, we're going to have an equal sign. So that means our answer is going to end up being like an x equals 2 or an x equals 5. So this is in your notes if you want to follow along with it, but you don't have to. You can just watch this video. So a couple things to look at with this equation is you have some parentheses, so you will have to distribute, and then we have this equal sign. So eventually you're going to want to get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. So if we go ahead and distribute the b, you get 12b, and then b times b is b squared, and minus 7. And then we have the 2b minus 4b plus b squared. Okay, so looking at a couple things, the next step you want to do after you distribute is combine like terms on each side of the equal sign. So I don't have anything over here, but I do have a 2b minus a 4b. So I've got 12b plus b squared minus 7 equals negative 2b plus b squared. Okay, now I need to get my variables on the same side of the equation. So if I subtract b squared, what ends up happening here with the b squareds, they cancel. So I have 12b minus 7 equals negative 2b. You have more terms over here, so we have to subtract the 12b. So negative 2 minus 12 is negative 14. Divide by negative 14. And you get 1/2. Okay, so we're just distributing, getting the variables on the same side, and solving it for b. Okay, here's the next equation. Distribute the 6. So you get 12z, and then 6 times 10 is 60. So we distributed. Now we have to see if we can combine any like terms together, and it looks like I have a 60 and an 8. So 12z plus 68. And then I need to get my z's on the same side, so I'm going to subtract 5z. Those cancel. 12 minus 5 is 7. And then I'm going to subtract 68. Five minus 68 is negative 63. Divide by 7, and z equals negative 9. Okay, here's the next one. Distribute the 2. So 12 times 6, or 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times negative 11 is negative 22. Subtract the 5y over. 12 minus 5 is 7. Add the 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. Divide by 7. You can't really divide that, so the answer is just 25 over 7. Okay, here's the next example. Distribute the negative 3. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. And then equals 4x plus 8. You don't have anything to combine together because you have this equal sign. Remember, you can't combine across the equal sign. So if I want to subtract 4 to bring it over to this left side, negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. And then I'm going to subtract 12. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Divide by negative 7. You can't actually divide 4 over 7, but these two negatives will cancel each other out, so you just get 4 7s. Okay, I think we have one more. Yeah. Okay, the last one, distribute the 5. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, you have nothing to combine together. So if you add 6 to the other side, negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. And then subtract 40. (20) minus 40 is negative 20. Divide by negative 4. You get x equals 5. Okay, today's homework is page 13 odds. It is in your homework packet, but if you do not have your homework packet with you, I have the worksheet attached to the assignment.